Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the surface oil reset indicator of an Iveco daily. This one comes from 2016 till 19. We have a flashing light. This light is flashing. It's not a sign of oil, low oil level or oil pressure. It's just a sign for a reminder for changing the oil. Let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition to the second position. Then we're going to use the throttle, accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Press and hold the accelerator pedal for 15 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 15 seconds, press the brake pedal 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release both pedals. Turn the ignition off. Then you'll see that the flashing indicator, surface indicator, won't flash anymore when you start the car. Start the car and you'll see that it doesn't flash anymore. You also have a menu you can check where you can check the surface info over here. Scroll to the right to see. One moment. Over there to see that the next surface is due to 50,000 kilometers. It's a lot. I would suggest to change the oil and the filter every 20,000 kilometers. That would be my advice for all of you. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time in our video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.